Meanwhile, the row over three contentious farm laws has boiled over in Kerala. Chief Minister Pinarayi Vijayan has launched an anti-farm law agitation in Thiruvananthapuram after the Governor Arif Mohammed Khan declined permission for one-day special assembly session to discuss the farm laws. Earlier, Kerala Chief Minister had shot back a letter to the Governor calling his move unconstitutional. Chief Minister Vijayan further stated that the Governor has no authority to reject the proposal for an assembly, which he said was to discuss a matter of national importance. All of this the first time that the state's ruling regime is openly supporting the anti-farm laws protest in Kerala. Yesterday, Youth Congress workers marched towards Raj Bhavan to protest against the governor's decision. They were stopped by the police, who resorted to water cannons. The decision to convene a session was taken by the CPM-led LDF government at a cabinet meet on Monday.
Swaminathan Commission report നടപ്പാക്കുമെന്ന് പ്രഖ്യാപിച്ച കൂട്ടരാണ് ഇപ്പോൾ അധികാരത്തിലിരിക്കുന്നത്. പിന്നെ കഴിഞ്ഞ ലോക്സഭാ തെരഞ്ഞെടുപ്പ് വന്നപ്പോഴാണ് അതിനെക്കുറിച്ച് അവർ ഓർക്കുന്നത് തന്നെ. ഇപ്പോഴും അക്കാര്യത്തിൽ മാറ്റമൊന്നും ഉണ്ടായില്ല.
The governor has no right to deny a request from a majority government to convene the assembly. Governor's action, this action is beyond his powers and against the constitution, Indian constitution.
The governor's decision to reject the request for the holding of the state legislative assembly is totally against the constitution of our country. Governor, this gubernatorial office is an important constitutional office. So naturally, he has to behave according to the directive of the corporation.
I feel governor is his point is justifiable because it's unnecessarily spending public money, wasting public money on just having a session and passing a resolution, because this resolution has no effect. The session itself is a political strategy. Otherwise, there is no reason for having, because in Kerala there is no such APMC Act. So this law passed by the Parliament has no impact on Kerala. So why the money, the public exchequer should be utilized for having a political gimmick?
We are now in Thiruvananthapuram, and Chief Minister Pinarayi Vijayan for the first time has come on to the ground to attend the farmers' agitation. So in Thiruvananthapuram, the Combined Farmers Council has been organizing an agitation since December 12 to extend their support to the protesting farmers in northern part of the country. And today, as you see here, we see a full-packed crowd over here. These also include the protesters and the people who have been holding this protest over here. And on the dais, you can actually see that Chief Minister Pinarayi Vijayan is speaking now. He is addressing this crowd. And also on the dais, there are other senior ministers of the Left Democratic Council. Today, Chief Minister himself has decided that he will lead the protest. He will attend the protest, which has been ongoing for quite a long time now, at least some 2 weeks here in Thiruvananthapuram. And this also come at a very particular time, because yesterday the Governor Arif Mohammed Khan had actually denied assent to a special assembly session which was supposed to be convened today to discuss and pass a resolution against the farms law. So he was sharply criticizing the farms bill, and he was trying to explain how it would affect the lives of the common man, because this is the version of the Chief Minister. If that is actually implemented on the ground, then it may lead to food scarcity, and that will affect all the people in the state and more country, and more particularly a state like Kerala, which is heavily dependent on importing food grains from other parts of the country. With camera representing Gurat Shagaran, Gopi Krishnan, Thiruvananthapuram for India Today.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.